Alright, let's build a number guesser program that can allow me to guess a number from 1 to 100 with 5 chances. Let's do this. Let's import random. Afterwards, we need answer to be random.ran range. That'll be from 1 to 101. And then we need chance to be 0. Then while chance is less than 5, then we want to say yes, guess 1 to 100, and then we can say if guess was answer, we can say print u1. If guess is less than answer, print go higher. So that means if it's lower than what the answer is, then it can go higher. Give the user some hints, and the same thing goes for this. Nice. And then now if guess, oh wait, we have to add chance. There we go. And then if chance equals to 5, print game over. The answer was answer. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's run it. It's a number from 1 to 100. 20. Go higher. 90. Go higher. Oh wow. 99. Lower. 94. Go higher. Alright, so from 99 to 94. 95. 97. Alright, game over. The answer was 97. Alright, so it works. But I need to window. See if it works. Lower. 50. Higher. 51. No. 67. Let's go 78. 74. 45. Lower. 30. Lower. 20. Lower. 15. Lower. God. 8. 4. Wow. 95. 91. Damn it. 50 and 70. 65. Lower. 63. Lower. 54. 52. 9. Yes! Yes! We did it. Alright, so it works. It works. Yes. Oh, that feels good. That's it.